Today we have a video from Bodycam Zero, and the title of the video is Fantasy Feast Woman Learns the Hard Way That Bars Have Cameras.
Right? It sucks to be, like, in your order too, it's like, it sucks to be pretty simple.
I'm just being honest. I walk in here and she started accusing me of being creepy, and I'm like, I'm not creepy. Yes, sir. You can do whatever you want, but I'm just being honest.
You tell me what happened. So, my husband was in line with Ingrid getting food. I was in there, and I was looking, and she said, you're being creepy, and he started videoing him. And he's like, I'm not being creepy. I'm going to buy everyone food, the next 10 people. And then she was like, F you, you're being creepy. And then that ended. We walked in there, and then she started videoing us eating. And I was like, why are you filming us?
Yeah.
Like, it's really weird.
Gotcha.
So, yeah.
I gotcha. She's claiming that you may have hit her throwing a drink on her. You know anything about that?
I scuffled. Maybe it was spilling her. I did not pour a drink on her.
Okay.
But yeah. So it was.
Where in here did the scuffle happen?
The bartender,
Bartender see you?
yes. Yeah.
I'll go talk to her.
So yeah.
You can stay at No, thanks for that.
I didn't see it. There were people talking shit. I didn't see anybody do anything bad. He was talking shit, trying to get this guy out of here, but they were just yelling at each other.
Yeah, it's like an older couple, I want to say in their 50s couple, and some younger girl.
Yeah, dark hair.
Yeah.
Got her shit out a little bit.
Yeah.
He's probably around here somewhere.
Yeah.
And he might have left, but they were just yelling, talking shit. I didn't even actually see what they were yelling about.
Oh gosh.
But yeah, something, man.
Yeah.
Always fucking drama about something. I just didn't know nothing, no one swung or nothing like that.
Yeah.
Kind of talking shit.
Okay.
That was it.
I appreciate it.
I literally told him.
I would like for a sorry. That's all
So I started recording.
I was protecting her.
And she hit you too. I started recording him.
Okay. Is there a reason why you're recording?
Because I was scared. The bartenders kicked him out.
Dressed in it with his fucking eyes.
Okay.
No, the bartender.
Well, I just talked to the bartenders and they said they didn't kick anyone out.
Okay, well, maybe they're lying.
Okay. So, where exactly did she hit you? Because it's hard to tell maybe.
Okay, so why don't we look at the cameras?
What? If you look at the cameras, what time is that?
Swing at me.
Seriously, look at the.
Ma'am, I'm asking you a question. Where did she?
I'm Nikki. What's your
I'm Ivan.
Ivan?
Yes. Where did she hit you?
She literally just smacked me across the face and he blocked the second one.
Okay.
And I was on
What's the time you took this video?
2:41. I wouldn't lie about this. Nobody's saying I know, I'm sorry.
It's just hard to tell by the video. Okay. Was it
And then
left
she just
side
had
or
her
right
friend.
side?
I don't
Yours.
remember. No, I honestly don't remember. I'm drunk. I'm blocked out.
Okay.
It was too much.
Let me just see if there's any marks. Okay. No, it's all good now.
No, I'm telling you that no one hits me.
So, okay.
My dad actually pays me, but it's one of those.
Ivan, you're gonna look at the video.
It all started because I said don't look at me when I was getting food at and I loved the woman here. I said, Ingrid. I love her, and I'm like, can you stop staring at me? And he was wearing this weird thing, and he got so
Okay, now it makes sense. I just looked at the date up top. Okay, this is like Halloween time because I'm like, why is everyone got no clothes on? And then I just as those girls were walking by, I'm like, what the fuck? And then I look up, I was like, oh, the 25th. Okay, all right. So they out. It's Halloween, you know, that type of thing. But I'm just like, damn, man, this body cam footage is like, you could barely pick up things, you know what's going on, but we getting through it. Lock in. All right, lock in. We getting through it.
His ego, and his wife comes around, and then she goes, "Oh man," I'm like, your husband's. I didn't even say anything. Like, in my head, I'm like, he's a fucking creep dick.
Oh, okay. Oh wow! Wait! Oh, nah! Hold on now. It's in the top right.
Your husband's. I didn't even say anything. Like, in my head, I'm like, he's a fucking creep dick.
They're arguing. The girl in the black gonna get locked up.
So you have a right to remain silent. Anything?
Yeah.
Anything you say can be used against you in court of law. You have the right to talk to the lawyer and have him present while you're being questioned. You have a fortified lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any question you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I have explained it to you? Yes. When you ask any law enforcement, anybody from us, to speak with the lawyer. This rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me now about the incident? How that left? Okay, so go ahead.
So rather than she decided to record my husband and I ordering food, and she.
Why is all the audio super low, man? Damn. So pretty much the girl in the red is antagonized. You know, she going around recording people. The girl in the black popped it off, man. Got busy with her. Just because someone's recording you, don't give you the right to put your hands on them. So this girl in the black definitely going to jail, man.
Here's my husband eating food, and then she recorded us eating, which I found very awkward. And then I filmed her. I just said, why are you recording us? And then she got very vocal, and then talked, and they have spilled into a bucket.
Anything else?
No.
So did you ever push your hands?
Oh God, no. Nope.
Like smack the phone, punch you in the face?
You could pull the cameras up there.
Oh, they pulled it. They pulled the cameras. Well, you popped it off.
You will see judge tomorrow morning. There's a big chance you will be released tomorrow morning after 9 a.m. It's just a misdemeanor, it's not a felony. It's not affecting your life in any way, right? You just did stupid thing, alright?
Do you want me to give this to him?
Sure.
Okay.
Can I just, like, these are really tight? Like,
Okay. No, I can keep it.
They're not tight, you just never had them on.
Again, ma'am, filming somebody in there's no expectation of privacy.
I know.
It's not a crime. But what you did is a crime.
I know.
Alright?
Yeah.
No worries.
Thank you.
No expectation of privacy in public.
I see a lot of bullshit, and I just think it's sad that you guys are wasting so much energy to really
Before you pull away, can I go talk to my wife?
No, he's gonna take her, okay?
I just want locked up. I just know both these people very well.
This is your ID, and then this is her tail. She wanted you to have it, okay?
Don't let them pull away before I talk to them.
He's trying to see what we can do, all right? Okay?
Yeah.
My truck's around the corner, and I'm very sober. If you need me to drive you and follow her, I will go get it.
Can't follow.
Can I just say hello to him?
Yeah, if they said as soon as she's
He's gonna lie.
Okay, here is your ID, and then this is her tail that she had as part of her costume, all right?
Yeah, no, I like it's all because I love it. That's not what about me. It's like, I'm like, I didn't even call you guys. I was just like, that's the universe. If you're gonna talk shit when you're right here, I'm like, okay, karma's a cunt.
Yeah.
No, I get it. Andrea, let's go to the hotel. Come.
No, we gotta get Colton out of here. He's gonna
Wait, Colin just was fighting me. No, Colin, let's go. Call. See, they won't stop. Call. These people are for love. Let's not.
Just go enjoy the Opal. You go with them because I know she was worried about you.
I just thought maybe you should just fight me. I don't know.
That has nothing to do with me.
I'm holding her hand.
He's trying to fucking defuse the
Oh, I don't know you.
I'm trying to defuse the situation.
Oh, that's not your friend.
I'm like, no, I have PTSD.
I know.
Because people are coming up to me, calling me a cunt. And I'm
I'm
like,
a fucking lobster business. I went over to say fucking sorry.
costume I've seen all night.
Thank you. Appreciate that. Worked hard on it.
well, I'm not trying to be a dick. I'm like,
She's not like she didn't fucking try to slap me in the fucking face.
All right.
my love,
Let's go to the
let's
Opal.
go.
Thank you.
This way. Yeah.
Wow. Yeah. Yeah, typical. Look at this. Oh, hold on. Look at this. Former school aide gets 50 years for X crimes. 50 years. Oof. Now that sound crazy. But yeah. It's just, typical Halloween. Typical Halloween. Ain't nothing crazy. Yeah, the officer said it. No expectation of privacy in public. It may be weird. It may be awkward. You may not like it, but people can film. That's that. You know what I'm saying? That's why you see a lot of these First Amendment auditors and all that type of stuff popping up and everything. It's easy. If you violate that, hey, your ass getting locked up. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.